Hi. Today we will learn how to import passwords, bookmarks, and extension into Mozilla Firefox. Open Mozilla Firefox. At the left side, come to Import Bookmarks. Here, choose the browser you want to get the bookmarks, passwords, and so on. I want to get from Chrome. So, click on it. As you can see, it's being imported to Mozilla Firefox one by one from Chrome browser. Saved passwords and extensions are taking longer as I have so many. Finally, those are added and my Mozilla Firefox is up to date with all the bookmarks and passwords, etc. So, this is how you can simply get all your information imported on Mozilla Firefox from other browsers. Hope it helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.